This is creative idea to make arrangement of the tiny house plan anyway, because the conventional tiny house plan is always straight and horizontal and vertical position of the wall, but in this case we can look for the diagonal arrangement of this layout of the room. We can see for this terrace area, it has diagonal wall arrangement with another diagonal wall arrangement also, and this is about the living room and communal room with a kitchen, living room, dining room, and this is about the little space to make a storage. Maybe it just for storage, and it has a bedroom with shelf and cloth hanger right there with a mirror on the wall panel right there, and this is about the toilet area with a diagonal space, diagonal wall arrangement also, and then we can see for the toilet with enough or complete fixture such as a toilet, wastafel, and shower cabin right there with curtain to make a separation between the toilet area and shower cabin area right there, and this space just for the shelf and cabinet for the bedroom area anyway. We can look around for this creative idea anyway. Okay, we can look around for the front view. Okay, this is for the exterior facade. This is for the exterior facade for this tiny house anyway. We can look around for this, and it's just rectangular shape of this tiny house. We can see for the terrace area right there with a diagonal wall arrangement like this, and we can look for the interior inside, and it about the interior inside without loft bed anyway, because we this design has maximizes for the space with a diagonal space anyway without the loft bed anyway, and it just landed room anyway. Then we can see for the diagonal arrangement of the linear kitchen with wastafel, and then it has cabinet, and it is cooker and some space for another activities for cooking, and it has shelf and cabinet on above on the wall, and then this is for the dining room and the living room maybe just I mean it could be for until 8, maybe 8 capacity of a seat, and then we can look around. Okay, and this is about the bedroom area. This is about the bedroom area with maximizing the space under the bedroom with cabinet, and it has a single size of bedroom area in nearer to the window, large window on the front and on the left side with rectangular with a triangular shelf right there. So the space are maximized enough anyway, and this is about the mirror and cloth hanger anyway, and the ceiling with a lumber ceiling texture anyway, so it could make more elegant anyway. It could make a more elegant of the texture arrangement, and we can look around for the another space. This is about the shelf. It's just about the shelf or wardrobe anyway, and we can look for the another space from here. We can look for the some shelf using to it's maximizing to be a shelf cabinet on the corner. So for every single corner, I mean it could be a cabinet shelf right there, so there's no waste space in this diagonal wall arrangement anyway. So I mean this is creative and effective layout in this linear tiny house without the loft bed anyway, and we can look around for the bathroom space anyway. Okay, this is about the bathroom. We can look like this, and this is about the toilet, and it's just a wastafel with a mirror right there. This is just wastafel with a mirror with white vibes of this tiny house, and it has a large window to maximize the daylighting on this diagonal bathroom, and it has separation between the toilet and the shower cabin anyway, and we can look around for the shower cabin. I think this shower cabin is enough for take bath for the user or for the owner, and it using lumber ceiling texture also anyway. So I mean it's so synchronized with another room anyway. Okay, then we can look around there near to the door. It using shelf. The designer maximizing the corner to be a shelf or cabinet anyway. I mean this is a creative solution and creative idea to maximize the space, so there is no wasted space right there, because the space are useful. Almost of this space are useful anyway. So then we can look around again, and we can look for the same case for this cabinet are useful. There's no wasted space right there. I mean it's so effective for making the diagonal arrangement of this tiny house. And for the color scheme, we can see about the almost of the wall using a white wall paint. And then for the furniture, for the several furniture such as kitchen cabinet using a dark color of the paint anyway. And then for the top table using granite anyway, and with the combination with a lumber shelf texture and lumber ceiling texture anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of us for this design of this tiny house. I mean it's very creative idea. I think it's very creative and useful idea about how to adjust and arrange the tiny house without a loft bed anyway. So with just a linear arrangement, it could be realized. It could be realized to make a well living of the tiny house. Indeed, anyway. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.